Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video with happiness and education, where everyone learns to smile. Are you ready to embark on a new adventure full of learning and fun? That's great. So today we're gonna play Sesame Street. C is for choices. Are you ready? One, two, three, go!
Sesame Street. C is for choices.
I love little Abby Cadabby. Don't you?
My mommy and I are getting ready to start our day. That's right. It's a new day that we get to fill with choices that keep us healthy, happy, and connected. Whether it's about what to wear or what to eat, we make lots of choices every day.
True.
First, we're going to get dressed. Then, Abby has time to play on her own.
Okay.
Have a healthy snack. And we have some time to play together.
Sweet.
When I have a choice, I think through my choice and choose what's best for me. Come on, let's get started. Let's get dressed.
Okay.
Help Abby choose an outfit for a snowy day. That means I will need clothes that will keep me warm. What should I choose?
Alright, so it's snowy outside, meaning it'll be very cold. Let's see.
Snow jacket, snowsuit, fox hat, winter hat, gloves, mittens.
Let's make her a cute little munchkin. Let's give her a snow jacket.
Snow jacket.
Oh, she doesn't
Snowsuit.
like it.
Snowsuit.
Looks like she's happy with this one.
Gloves.
Let's make her wear
Winter
this one.
hat. Fox hat. Fox hat.
Let's make
Winter hat.
her wear the
This
winter.
does look good together. This is perfect for a snowy day.
I know.
Mittens.
Let's make her wear gloves.
Gloves. Looks like you're ready for the day, my little petal. Woohoo!
Alright, enjoy your snowy day out.
What a great choice.
Looks like she's having fun. Come on, let's play together with her. Pop, 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 pop.
When you're done, press the check mark.
All right. Now it's time for Abby to
Take
play on her
pictures
own.
with filters.
Now it's time for Abby to play on her own.
Play a video game. Color. Take pictures with filters.
Let's take
pictures
with filters.
That sounds good. What a great choice.
It's gonna be really fun.
I love taking pictures of my stuffies with silly filters. It's like playing dress up. Let's try on all the filters and choose the one we like best.
How will she look with glasses? So funny. She looks so elegant here. Oh, look guys, she looks so funny here.
Looking good. El elefante.
Aww. Or she can be a senor. Maybe we should choose the necklace, because it looks so pretty on the doll.
What a silly choice. It's time to switch to have a healthy snack. Hey, I know. Let's pick a fun way to move from one activity to the next. Should we pretend we're a duck or a dog?
Let's pretend we're a duck.
A duck. Come on. Let's pretend we're a duck. Quack, quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack, quack.
Next time. These choices all look so delicious. Which one should I choose?
Let's choose the healthiest option.
Apples and sun butter. Cheese and crackers. Yogurt with fruit.
The healthiest option is
Yogurt with fruit.
fruit. So We're gonna choose this
Yogurt
option.
with fruit. This will really fill me up. Let's put our snack on a plate.
Okay. Let's make a little smile for our little Abby Kadabi.
Ooh, this looks good.
So nice.
Tasty.
Then let's add the eyebrows and maybe a little nose
I'm
too.
getting hungry.
Coming right up, Abby. Here are the eyebrows.
Looks tasty.
Now the yogurt. The yogurt can well be the hair. Yummy, yummy yogurt.
Ooh, this looks good.
It sure does, Abby.
I'm getting hungry.
Wait a second, Abby. We're almost all done. We're done, Abby.
Time to eat.
Yummy, 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 Abby. Yummy. How is it, Abby? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Eat the strawberries.
If you're all done, press the check mark.
Eating healthy food keeps us healthy. Yummy, yummy. If you guys want more tips about how to stay healthy, please watch my video, Healthy Habits for Kids.
If you're all done, press the check mark.
I'll leave it in the description down below. And one more strawberry.
That was yummy. I love making healthy choices at snack time.
Me
Now I'm
too.
fueled up and ready for the day.
Let's go.
It's time to switch to play together. Hey, I know. Let's pick a fun way to move from one activity to the next. Should we pretend we're the conductor of a choo-choo train or piloting a spaceship?
The
conductor of a
choo-choo train.
The conductor of a choo-choo train.
That'll be fun.
The conductor. Come on, let's pretend we're the conductor of a choo-choo train. Choo-choo.
Choo-choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Together time. Choose something for me and Abby to play together. Here are some choices of things we can play together. What should we choose? Play freeze dance. Do a puzzle to read together.
Let's do a puzzle.
Together. I like it. What a great choice.
Let's go.
Let's do a puzzle together. See if you can find the right place for each piece. Mommy, go ahead. I think this one goes here. I wonder what it is.
Me too. All right. Let's do our part. Should it go here? Doesn't look right. Here? I don't think so. Here? Nope. Here? Hey, look. This looks nice. I think it goes here.
That's it. I'll put this one, here.
Good idea, Mommy. And this one should go here.
I think this one goes here.
And last piece goes here. Wow!
What a great choice.
That was really fun, guys.
What a great day. We did so much. We chose what to wear for a snowy day. We chose to eat a snack of yogurt with fruit. We chose to take pictures with filters. And we also chose to do a puzzle. Aw, thanks for helping us make great choices with our day.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I can't wait to make more choices tomorrow. I make choices every day. They let us be our best as we learn and play.
That was really fun, guys. Alright, guys, this is the end of this video as Abby has less choices and it's time for her to sleep. So, till my next video, it's me smiling and saying goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Farewell.